Hello, if you're watching this video, it's because you have purchased the Goddess Temple Cacao Starter Kit with some ceremonial cacao paste, with some ceremonial cacao tea, and with some ceremonial cacao powder. And so now you're asking yourself, what do I do with all of this? How do I get started? I want to start. And so that's why I've created this video, is to help you, to give you a little bit of guidance, to help you to connect to this powerful consciousness, this cacao consciousness. And so the first thing I want to do is help you to understand just how powerful this drink, this medicine is, this cacao consciousness. When we bring sacredness, reverence, honoring to this experience of drinking your cacao every morning, that is when we connect to this higher consciousness, this cacao consciousness. And that is when that consciousness works with us to help us to release these conditioned beliefs, these stories, these patterns, so that we can have new beliefs. We know that our beliefs create our reality. And when we can change our beliefs, we can create a new reality for ourselves. And many of us are living in these patterns every single day or every year, or these constant patterns in our life, because it's based on our beliefs, which are usually conditioned beliefs from our childhood, from our friends, from our social networks, from watching the news. Hopefully most of you don't, but there's all these different conditioned beliefs. And so what we want to do is really understand that cacao is helping us to open up our hearts, to release these beliefs, to create new beliefs so that we can create a new reality. So what a beautiful emotional, for many of you it might be an emotional journey in drinking your cacao. That is so normal. Expect that if you do have tears, that's just you, the cacao, helping you to open up your hearts, to see basically the patterns in your life, to see everything in your life from a different perspective, from a higher perspective, so that those beliefs can be changed. Isn't that incredible? What a gift that we now have this in our lives, right? Let's acknowledge this beautiful gift that we have from the gods and goddesses, gifted to us to help us to open up our hearts, change our beliefs, and change our reality. So the next thing I want to share with you is this gorgeous printable that I created, again, to help you to get started. It's called the morning cacao ritual, and it's a 28-day calendar. So it's double-sided, printed double-sided. And what you're going to do is, if you don't have a double-sided printer, that's okay. Print one side and then flip it and have it go through the printer. So now you have it double-sided. And then you're just going to fold it in the fold lines so that it's nice and small like this. And you're going to go through it. It's going to help you to decide, what time of day is perfect for you to have this beautiful daily ritual. How many minutes do you think you can give yourself as part of this beautiful ritual? For some of you, you might only have 5 minutes. For some of you, you might have an hour or more. Everything is perfect, no judgment there. Just go with what your heart is telling you, and just start baby steps if you have to. There's also a little section here to help you to understand how to create a sacred space, so that you have this incredible, beautiful space that you're also drinking your cacao. It could be on your couch. It could be a beautiful cushion or area near some plants, with some candles, with some music. Just some ideas here to support you in that. And then there's the recipe. So the recipe, how to heat the cacao, what to expect. If you find the cacao a little bit bitter because there's no sugar in it, ideally just drink it anyway and enjoy it. But if you must, you can use honey or 100% agave for now, until eventually you wean off of that as well and enjoy it on its own. You might even want to use some essential oils. If you're going to do that, literally take a toothpick, drop it in the bottle, and then stir the toothpick in your pot, because that's how potent and strong the essential oils can be. And so then there's a little tracker so that you can actually color each of the days for 28 days to create this beautiful ritual in your life. And then there's this gorgeous section here, which is going to help you to now connect. What do I do when I have this in my cup? How do I connect with the consciousness? What am I supposed to do? This is just a beautiful little framework to help you, 6 little steps that you can take to really connect, bring that sacredness, that honoring, connect with this beautiful cacao consciousness, and experience incredible spiritual transformation. And there you have it. So this is what you're going to do. Make sure you print this out. You should have it by now sent to you if you purchased the Cacao Starter Kit. I also want to invite you to our Facebook group, the Goddess Temple Cacao. This is where we can share all of our stories, our ideas, what's happening, all of your insights. I would love to hear from you. And also my YouTube channel called the Goddess Temple Cacao. Make sure you subscribe there too, because every week I'm posting a new video, beautiful new video about cacao, different things about the cacao, the heart, mind, the body connection, the spirit connection. So join us there as well. I'll have the link below for you to just quickly go in and subscribe. And I look forward to hearing more from you. Satnam, namaste, I love you.